Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Forex trading. The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is the largest financial market globally, with over $1.5 trillion changing hands daily. If you're looking to start Forex trading in 2024, here are 10 essential tips to get you started. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Understand the Forex market. Unlike other financial markets, the Forex market has no central location. It's a global electronic network of banks, financial institutions, and individual traders, all buying and selling national currencies. This market operates 24 hours a day, making it the most liquid market in the world. Tip 2. Learn the basics of currency pairs. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs. The first currency is the base currency, and the second is the quote currency. For example, in EUR/USD, the euro is the base currency, and the US dollar is the quote currency. Understanding how these pairs work is crucial. Tip 3. Get familiar with Forex terms. Terms like pips, lots, leverage, and margin are common in Forex trading. Pips measure the change in value between two currencies. Lots are the size of the trade. Leverage allows you to control a large position with a small amount of money, and margin is the required amount to maintain a leveraged position. Tip 4. Use technology to your advantage. Advances in technology have made Forex trading accessible to everyone. Use trading platforms and tools to analyze market trends, execute trades, and manage your portfolio. Popular platforms include MetaTrader 4 and 5, TradingView, and CTrader. Tip 5. Start with a demo account. Before risking real money, practice it with a demo account. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the trading platform and test your strategies without financial risk. Tip 6. Develop a trading plan. A solid trading plan is essential for success. It should include your trading goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional trading decisions. Tip 7. Stay informed. The Forex market is influenced by various factors, including economic data, geopolitical events, and market sentiment. Stay updated with the latest news and developments to make informed trading decisions. Tip 8. Manage your risk. Forex trading involves significant risk. Use risk management tools like stop loss and take profit orders to protect your capital. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Tip 9. Learn from your mistakes. Every trader makes mistakes. The key is to learn from them. Keep a trading journal to record your trades, strategies, and outcomes. Analyze your performance and adjust your approach accordingly. Tip 10. Keep learning. The Forex market is constantly evolving. Continuously educate yourself about new strategies, tools, and market trends. Join Forex trading communities, attend webinars, and read books to stay ahead. Bonus tip. Be patient and stay disciplined. Success in Forex trading doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, stay disciplined, and focus on long-term growth. Consistency and perseverance are key to becoming a successful trader. Before we wrap up, let's address the risks involved in Forex trading. Margined currency trading is highly risky and may not be suitable for everyone. Trading on leverage can amplify both profits and losses. Ensure you understand the risks and trade responsibly. Thank you for watching our video on 10 tips to starting Forex trading in 2024. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more Forex trading insights. Good luck and happy trading. Key takeaways. Understand the Forex market. Learn the basics of currency pairs. Get familiar with Forex terms. Use technology to your advantage. Start with a demo account. Develop a trading plan. Stay informed. Manage your risk. Learn from your mistakes. Keep learning.